that the food system really needs to be transformed. And this is not just the farming system, it's the whole, right up to the consumer level.
10 years ago, food, agriculture, climate was not really being discussed. I think we are now there. We know that there's a problem. We need to be using the climate crisis as an opportunity to rethink the sustainability of our systems.
We're talking about climate change, and climate change is really challenging because it touches many dimensions.
500 million smallholder farmers essentially need to be reached with adaptation technologies and practices and institutions within 9 more seasons.
When we mention climate smart agriculture, we are talking about adaptation, we're talking about mitigation, we're talking about productivity, food security. And we're talking about how they interact.
At the local level, a lot is about empowerment, getting information to farmers, getting finance to farmers. We have to deal with all those things, because once those things are dealt with, farmers will change their practices. So I don't see farmers as the problem, really. I see it as the whole of society problem, and we need to create the incentives to make the changes at the bottom.
So I think CCAFS has also changed the way we think about doing things, how to transform just research and knowledge into action and change. That's another legacy that I think CCAFS has challenged year after year the system to be thinking better about those things. And I think now the new one CGIAR is a kind of part of a product of that behavior change that we've instigated.